Yo everybody, it's Big Gamer and welcome to Stealthbound. Yay! It's the game where you're stealthy, I guess. Obviously. I found this game on Max Games. I was just looking in the action because I tried to play another game about raising a dragon and that was not good. That video sucked. So let's hope this one goes better. I also wanted to kind of say this is, first of all, sweet, we got 20 subscribers. That's on a roll to something pretty great. My next goal is 10. I can't even say the number because if I did, the universe would explode. But yeah. Anyway, so also as a kind of saying goodbye because I'm going. I mean, not forever. I don't worry about that. Just for a couple days, we're gonna go to California, see some family. It's gonna be fun. This is going to be actually a really short video, come to think about it, because I have to get up really early because the plane leaves really early, so yeah. Anyway, so let's jump right into the game. Level 1. Well, I guess that's me. Pretty high security prison, if you ask me. But they made the mistake of leaving a key card in the ceiling. Guess do I use arrow keys or, okay, thank God. I do not appreciate. Okay, I guess. I like that pushing animation. It's like, I don't know, it seems very anime-esque. Is that a word? Anime-esque? I think it is. Yeah, that's definitely a word. Cause, you know, I just made that up, so it obviously is. Because I just declared it a word. Z. Looks like we can, wait, what? What is this? Oh, it's a box, we can push it. What's the, oh, I see, to pull the lever. Okay, just give me a sec. Just, there, that. Who put this stuff there? And then they're just like, hey, it's instructions on how to escape. I'm sure it'll be fine. Nobody even cares about that. You know, nobody wants to escape prison ever. Doop, 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 doop. Just, you know, casually walking along. Why does that vending machine have eyes? Oh, go! We mustn't let him know we're here. Grab the key card. Very sneaky. I am the most sneaky-esque. Oh wait, what? What's wrong? What did I do? Why can't I grab the key card? Oh yeah, I have to press Z. No way. No. Okay, I'm obviously terrible at this. Oh, what? Busted. Got a gun. Stop the jack. Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, he's just sleeping. When he wakes up, he'll remember everything. Oh yeah, put the trash. He's total trash. So put him in the trash. That's pretty funny. You can't attack him. I can't? Why not? Hide. How do I hide? Run! He's gonna get busted. You can't attack him, hide here. What? How do I even hide there? Why is there a dumpster just sitting here? All this seems very ironically laid out just for me to escape. There we go. Oh my God, they need to hire better guards. That's what they need to do. Because if he can't see me, that's pretty sad. Oh, I'm just gonna waltz on out now. I thought one of those guards was me, and I was like, oh, well, that's impossible to get past. Whee! Get up here. Jump. Yeah, this game is actually pretty great. If you want to play it, just go on Max Games and play it for yourself. Oh, there's a guy in there. He's taking a shower. Yeah, yes. Yeah, you guys don't even know half the stuff I've seen. Oh no, I busted. I guess taking out a guard in front of another guard probably would get you busted in jail, even if you were a guard. I mean, anyone played Half-Life Blue Shift Shirt Edition? I don't know what it's called. I have it. That was an accident. Oh, come on. That was an accident. That was a genuine accident. Not gonna mess it up this time. Just gonna get in here, pull the lever, get out. The poor guy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no! They're on to me. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. What the heck is in there? There's a zombie. There's a zombie in there. Okay. Well, there's a zombie in there. And that's no good. This is scary. I'm gonna get that star though. Whether the camera likes it or not, probably doesn't. He seems to hate everything. Because cameras, when you're trying to escape security places, are genuinely pretty mean. They never want you to escape. Oh no. No! Oh, you're kidding me! Alright. We mustn't let them pull that. Grab it. Run. Run away. Get down. Oh, we're gonna get that. We're gonna get that star eventually. What? What was that? Okay. I thought that was like something bad, or like he just like got knocked out or something. Whoops! I was used to the old game that I was playing earlier's controls. It's all over. I'll get that over. Okay, what is that? Can I grab onto it? That'd be pretty neat. He's got a key card. I can. Drop down. Whoops. No! I'm nothing. How did he know I was the convict? How did he know? He is truly not even nice. Well, maybe, sir, maybe you just don't know how to have a good time. You never know. Put it in the trash. Where he belongs. Maybe I can I want to get all the stars. That's like my goal. It's always great to have a goal in everything. Because if you don't have a goal, then once you finally do what you were trying to do, you won't have anything you're trying to do because you don't have a goal. Alright. I actually had to go get that star, basically. I mean, I didn't have to get it, but why wouldn't I? If the lever... Oh, I don't... I do not like that. I do not like that in the slightest. Okay, I would just like to point out that all the vending machines here have eyes. I hear a train. What is he doing? Apparently he knows how to balance plates on his hand. Run away. Oop. I don't know what that does. Okay, so if you press Z near the vending machine, you get a pop. That's wonderful. That's what I always wanted. Okay, Mr. Crate. No, Mr. What? Yeah, you know, at this point, I don't even know. Don't get away from the laser. Lasers are not our friends. Woo! This is the level, I'm telling you. Oh, hurry. He's coming in. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Just gonna take this. Don't mind me. Be on my way. Alright. Cats, they're scratching at their litter box. Which is, depressing. Oh boy. Who wouldn't notice that? This guy. What is wrong with this game? Sometimes is really weird. Like, I just randomly turned it to Elvis Presley or something. Like, some sort of parody of that. And then it was just done. Oh yeah, there's a camera there. I'm gonna do this, and then I think that it'll be all over. Alright. This is going to be a very stealthy mission. Just gonna take down you. Oh no. Busted. Busted. Oop. Come over here. That helper. Helper, knock it off. Don't even worry about that, dude. You know, your job is hard enough. That's great. Nice treadmill running. He is temporarily knocked out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you for watching. Helper, please, just stop. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching the video. I'm sorry it was short, but yeah, my guy's juggling. That's great. I will see you in a couple days. Bye.